We envisage a very certain feeling we call welcome home. So when the customer enters the room, he immediately feels so well because the light is never too bright and the material is not too cool. He feels like at home. He will find a nice wooden floor. He will find nice, also darker colors that are very neutral and never rooms that are overloaded. With all designs that we do, we always keep in our minds that we want to build a modern classic. And I think that's the key to success. So somehow you will find some very new and exciting and surprising ideas. But at the same time, you will also find things that you're always familiar with and that give you this welcome home feeling. With our design philosophy, sensual purity, we combine two contradictions and bring it into one harmonious new solution. So there is the sensuality on the one side, the pure joy of aesthetic flowing lines, and there's the purity that takes care for the fact that we always want to find a simple and strong solution that lasts forever. And this is our, if you like, secret, how we make the best design, that we get something that's always exciting, even avant-gardistic, but still classic looking. Well, we always try to find completely new ideas, but there are also certain ways how we treat the volumes that give this interior the feeling of a modern classic. So we take care for horizontal proportions, for a nice tension in the surface, for sportiness. But in the A-Class, the unique thing is that we managed to have a widescreen, free-floating, without a hood on top, and putting this cool element into the contrast of the very hot-looking air vents that are designed in a very beautiful sculpturistic way. And yeah, they truly look really super sporty and hot. So overall, we get something that looks really cool and extremely extroverted, avant-gardistic, but also clean. And I think that's just the best what we can achieve.